Cause this is the cure. 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 I'm attacking these flu germs, so rapping my lungs burn. But when a hardcore beat bumps in, I know it's my turn to teach these diseases. These beats are the reason that ain't no sin is gonna stop me from breathing. I ain't fucking sleeping, neither even feeling like I have the energy to start speaking or treating myself any better. So I lay down on the ground, moving my sweater, cause this fever is killing me. How will I win this? The question in my mind, morphing and turning, always combined with a head that wants to explode at any minute. I fed up with it, so I try to stand up and fight with it. I stumble into the music room, falling on the PA. Music starts to play while my sight turns gray. I'm knocked out on the ground, unable to move, while the beat makes my heart pump to the fucking groove. Faster and faster till my eyes open up again. I look around and start to realize what's happening. I'm starting to feel stronger, till I have the power to get everything in order. I'm feeling hungry again, and the beat kicks in. My tongue starts to move, while my head takes a bend. So I start writing, explaining how I'm sure that bumping this music is the best cure. Cause this is the 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 cure.
I'm attacking these flu germs, although I'm feeling pain today. My throat feels like I've been swallowing some razor blades. My head is aching and my lungs are in a bad shape, but still I see a lot of cigarettes up in my ashtray. I'm always coughing and my nose is running, but when I hear a melody in the air, I am exposed to something healing. A natural medicine is revealing its remedy to get rid of this illness without a treatment. I don't need no pills or multiple prescriptions, no cough syrup giving me hallucinative visions. No doctors, no patients, no hospital papers to be filled in. Only hip-hop as my savior. Let me free my life. I fear no darkness, cause music equals light. I feel attracted to it when I hear a beat. I need the right. I know that everything is gonna be alright, although I didn't really sleep last night. I need that mic to give me energy. Ever since I learned to speak and write, I found identity inside myself. Now it's helping me to ease the pain. Every time I write, I numb the demons in my brain. Even when I'm feeling lonely or a bit insane, as long as there is music in my life, I know I will maintain. It's like I found a cure for every illness, and I'm spreading it around the globe, hidden inside my lyrics.
I need some of that medicine, bro. Word up, I'm sick as hell.